Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the houscly Handheld Car Vacuum. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course, let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this box open, first thing you'll find is a nice little carry case to keep in the car or wherever you're going to keep this thing. You'll have your user manual, filter, just a adjustment clip, a couple other pieces. We'll just walk through them real quick so you can see all the different pieces. USB-A to USB-C charging cable, some brush heads, some blowers, a number of different pieces depending on kind of what you're utilizing are all here. There's another one in there, another brush head. And then the actual vacuum. USB-C charging port, power button, back kind of area blower. So if you need to get anything out of there, this will kind of be able to, I don't know if it screws in or not. It looks like it would at some point. But we'll figure that out in a minute. Here. Yeah, you just got to kind of push in and turn, and that'll keep it there. We're going to go ahead and hold this. You can hear the air, so I'm going to take that off now. And that'll be the sound of the vacuum here. And so again, we're going to hold for level 1. Press again for level 2. Third time for level 3. As you can see, it's killing the battery pretty quick. Green, yellow, red, and hold to turn off. In here, just a nice easy way to change out or empty out your cartridge. We're going to take this off real quick and just pull this out. It looks like we have two different types of filters here. I actually prefer this type on the left because if you've ever used these a lot of gunk gets caught up in these, and it looks just like it's a lot easier to kind of keep that stuff from getting caught up. If it's going to be a lot of debris, little debris can get caught in here. So I like the options here. That's a really nice feature. So we'll go ahead and show you. We're going to charge it up completely, and then we'll go ahead and show you some vacuum work in my car. Again, you got a ton of different adjustment pieces to work with. I do wish this kind of folded or something like that, but that said, you can kind of always remove this and keep it together like that in the bag. So let's go show the power of the vacuum. So showing you kind of the power here. Again, we're going to just turn this on. As you can see, does a really nice job getting stuff up, even in the carpet, some stuff that's really dug in, does a nice job of. And then we'll show in the front as well. Now this might be hard to tell because of the sun and the glare and everything like that, but we'll get it going. Now I would use my attachments to get into those hard to reach spaces, but I'm more just concerned about showing you kind of the overall power. Now everything that's left over there is just mud, which is to be expected. So super powerful, very impressed with this thing, and we'll show you emptying it out. So all we do is literally just dump that top part, and you can hear it all coming out. And I always give it a good shake. If needed, again, we can just take this off and pull that filter out, and then just rinse it out and everything like that. But that gets rid of the majority of the junk and grime. Maybe a couple bangs, and close it up, and we're good back to go. So this thing is awesome. I definitely enjoy it, and definitely worth buying. So hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.